Hello guys. I understand if you're very confused right now, but I'm going to get back into doing YouTube because I need something to just do that's not school. This is my dead hanging plant that I killed. I very much want to let it incense right now. So anyways, I'm back. Today we are going to be doing a little get ready with me makeup tutorial, whatever you would like to call it. But this is definitely one that's not as extreme. It's going to be more of a natural little looksy poo here. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. So when I'm doing a quick natural look, this is literally the only products I use. I don't use a lot of stuff, and I rarely do wear a lot of makeup, but there is occasions where I will be wearing a lot of makeup. First, I feel like my face still has makeup on it from last night because I took my makeup off laying down in the dark. I'm using the Neutrogena cleansing makeup wipes. Yeah, I love these. They're like the only makeup wipes that don't make my skin burn. The first thing I'm gonna do is do a little concealer. So I usually don't wear concealer, but on days where my eyes have like little baggies underneath them, we do concealer. So I'm using the Alame Clear Complexion Concealer Corrector in the shade Light Medium. In the next clip, I just straight don't use words, so we're just gonna ignore that. So then I take this brush from e.l.f. It's a buffing foundation brush, and I just dab it in. Okay, I know everyone's like, don't rub it, but you know what? I'm rubbing it. Okay. I look cute. I don't know. I want this to last. This relationship here. This YouTube relationship. I want it to last. Because I did it in quarantine because I literally had nothing to do. But honestly, I love it, and I really hope I stay in it because I have the absolute literal, like, I don't have attendance spans. Anyways, next up, Milk Makeup Glimmer Glow Lip and Cheek Oil. I love this. So I just put that. I'll just do that. I know it looks very dumb right now, but I'll just do that, and then my dog. I'll just do that, and using the same foundation brush, I'll just dab this into my skin. So I just blended that in. As you can see, it goes in the skin very nicely, and I love it. Okay, that was awful. We're gonna say what we're gone. The next step is I'll use the It Brow Powder. Oh, ew, I hate my several flip. It says it's a universal shade. It's definitely not, but I love this product. And the universal shade, even though it's not a universal shade, it's my shade. So that works. That works. So I just brush my eyebrows up and try to make them the same shape because my eyebrows are just so far from the same shape. And they never are, and they probably never will be. So that's fun. So I'll just fill in my eyebrows. I don't like them. Like, I don't like very filled in eyebrows on me. I don't think they're the same shape at all. They're not. And I've been told many times that my eyebrows look like I'm mad all the time because they go like, which is annoying. But I'm not mad all the time. I'm sad all the time. There's a difference. The next step is curling my eyelashes. I'll curl them for like 15-ish seconds. You kind of want those like eyelash things. You know what I mean? Those, what are they called? Like eyelash extensions, the permanent ones. So maybe. But for now, I don't have that money, so we use mascara. I use the Telescopic Carbon Black from L'Oreal. I love this mascara. I only did a couple layers. I mean, I only did like one layer. Usually, my eyelashes are clumped. But today, we're doing a little not clumped moment. My last step, I'll use the Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Mesmerize. So I just will put a dot right there, and then I'll put a little dot on my nose. A little goes a long way from what I've experienced. Lastly, I'll put on chapstick. This is the Brazilian Kiss from Sephora, which is my favorite chapstick. It's very expensive, so as you can see, I have dug a hole in it because it's gone, but I still want to use it. So this is the final little makeup look. So this is what I do when I'm trying to look more natural, and don't want to like cake my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try to be back, so hopefully I'll see you guys next week. I'll put all my socials down in the description. Not that anyone wants them or needs them, but they'll be there. Yeah, I'll see you next week.